I'm Janelle Stewart, a Michigan State University Extension educator and the Lenawee County 4-H program coordinator, and I am an expert in 4-H. Today I am going to answer one of our most frequently asked questions: how do you join 4-H? Joining 4-H is easy, but if you're not familiar with 4-H, you might be asking a different question as, what is 4-H? And I'll help to answer that too. Michigan 4-H is the youth development program of Michigan State University Extension. It provides youth ages 5 to 19 with fun, hands-on educational opportunities that prepare them for life and work. In 4-H, youth learn about things that interest and excite them, be that animals or archery, engineering or entrepreneurship, leadership or learning to cook. No matter the topic, 4-H allows youth to learn by doing while developing critical life skills such as goal setting, conflict resolution, teamwork, and more. With these skills, youth become ready for whatever the future holds. Ready to lead, ready to build, ready to serve, and ready to contribute to the world around them. So how do you join 4-H? 4-H is offered in every Michigan county, and that's the best place to start, with your local 4-H staff. To find them, first identify your county MSU Extension office at extension.msu.edu/county. After selecting your county, visit the 4-H section of the county site to find contact information for your local 4-H program coordinator. The 4-H program coordinator will help you to find 4-H programs and opportunities that match your interests, as well as share next steps in the enrollment process. 4-H programs happen at the county, state, national, and even international levels, so there is bound to be a variety of opportunities available to you all through 4-H. If you have previously enrolled in Michigan 4-H and just need to re-enroll, visit 4-H online at michigan.4honline.com